All right, I'm going to show you how to tune your ukulele.
Oh.
This is the part of the video where I thank the Patreons for being Patreons and I shout them out. So if you guys are Patreons, thank you for supporting me. And here's your name on the screen. Thank you so much. And I hope you enjoy the extra little benefits and behind the scenes stuff that you guys get. And also just the happiness for supporting a small little YouTuber like me. Thank you so much. Okay, there's a few people that have asked me like how to tune your ukulele or like different ways to. So I'm just gonna do like 3 different ways to tune a ukulele if you guys don't know how to. We're gonna start out with if yours is like an electric acoustic and you have this. So I'm gonna put the camera in a different spot so you guys can see this and we'll learn how to tune that way. So let's get to it. Also, be on the lookout for that video for me and my friends dubbing some funny anime clips. It's really awesome. It was really fun to do, so I hope you guys like it, and it'll be out soon. I'm editing all this stuff now, so yeah. Anyway, tuning ukuleles. Okay, so if you have one of these built in your ukulele, it actually has a built-in ukulele tuner, so you just turn that on, and then what it does is when you strum each chord, so the first one should be the G, because the ukulele is G, C, E, A, and you see how it shows each time. So you just want to make sure you get it there. If it's too high, it'll usually go to the left, and if it's too low, it'll be on the right. So if I mess this up a little bit on the G string, we're at F, right? And we want to go to G. So you just twist it a little bit to get it a little higher, then a little higher, a little higher, F sharp, we're getting closer. So you just twist it a little bit more until it basically is in the middle. Like that would honestly be fine, but if you want to get it perfectly green, then that's what you can do. So that's the first way. You want to do it with all the strings so that they all G, C, E, A. See, my E is a little off too, but not enough to where it will sound bad. And then A. Now let me show you the second way how to tune your ukulele. So if your ukulele doesn't have one of these built-in tuners, most likely if you get a starter kit with a ukulele that comes with a gig bag and a bunch of other stuff, you'll usually get this thing with it, and this is actually a tuner in itself. So these things have different settings. So right there's G, so that would be tuned for guitar. So what you do is you press the power button, but you just click it once, you don't hold it, and that'll go to a bass, that's a violin, and then boom, U for ukulele. And then once you're at that point, it's basically the same thing as the other. You just pluck the string until you get it to the right spot. So that was too high, it said, for G. So then what I do is just tune it down a little bit more until it turns green. And then you do that for all of them. So the third and final way that I like to tune ukuleles is by ear, but that takes a little bit of practice and you need to know what the strings kind of sound like. So what I would do is, like, if I can't tell by doing it like that, I'll play a song and see if any of the chords sound like they are a little off. And then if any are, I just adjust it a little bit until it sounds good. So it's kind of straightforward. If you don't know how to tune a ukulele, you just make sure you get the first string G, then the second is C, the third is E, and the last one's A. The easiest thing to do is to just have a tuner and kind of match them up like that. If you don't have a tuner, there's definitely apps that you can get that will help you tune a ukulele. I'm pretty sure most apps where you get your songs and tabs and everything usually have a tuner option that you can select and click and help you tune your instrument. But if not, you can always just watch YouTube videos and try to match the sound by ear. So just listen to somebody else's until yours sounds exactly the same. So yeah, I hope that helped you guys. that don't know how or what kind of goes into tuning your ukulele, but mostly just use a tuner and then twist it higher or lower depending on which way it needs to go and try to line it up perfectly. So yeah, see you guys in the next video. A creature with two heads, sleeping into beds. Is it sweet or is it